Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have more cases for your Galaxy S20 Ultra. These cases come from ArmadilloTek, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I hope y'all are having a great day. Yes, I have more cases for your Galaxy S20 Ultra to review today. These cases come from ArmadilloTek / Homeless Call. I know y'all see him on Twitter. He sent out these cases to me for review. He sent me out the Vanguard series case in black. And then this one is called the Cyber Ranger case in red, but it's clear too. Both cases you can get on Amazon. I'm going to put the heavy duty case on the side for now and start with this one, the Cyber Ranger. Alright, so like I said earlier, you can get them from Amazon. Here is the Cyber Ranger case. It comes in 3 different colors, orange, red, and black. Again, I will have the links in the description. If you want to pause that, you can definitely do so and read it. But nice little packaging from ArmadilloTek. Look at that. He supports the military. It is U.S. Military grade drop test, shockproof. Again, if you want to pause that, you can read that too. But let's see how this case fits and see what you get in the box. So you do get a little ArmadilloTek.com. Go check out his website. I know he works hard at the website and also selling these cases. Here's the case itself. Now, it's a TPU case. It will protect your phone from getting scratches, and it will show off the beauty. You have the cutouts at the bottom, the one at the top. Look at the corner drop protection. Also, the back is raised from the camera hump. I'm going to see how that fits. I want to see how that looks with the phone in it. So let's do that. Nice and snug too. Now, one thing I noticed, you do get lip action all around the phone. So you don't have to worry about scratching up your display if you put it down, which is a big thing. Now, the camera hump, it's pretty much flat with the phone. And you have a little raise on all the way around the phone. So it does give you a little bit of protection. And see, it doesn't really rock, so I think it worked fine. I wouldn't drop it, but, you know, that's why they have the Vanguard series case. This is more like a lightweight. You want to show off the beauty of your phone. There's some ArmadilloTek brand in there. The cutouts look great. The microphone at the top. The power button's easy to find. Let's test the volume rockers. They work. They're nice, easy to press. Let's see how it fits. Top and bottom fits well. The sides are a little bit loose, but I mean, they snap back in there. I just like how it feels. I mean, it gives you a little bit extra grip too. Can your wireless charge? That is the next question. Yes, you can wireless charge with the phone. Look at that. Don't have to worry about taking the case off. Power sharing, let's see. The one thing I'm worried about is because my Google phone will not sit flat with their case, but let's see. There you go. It's actually charging right now. So yes, you can keep the case on and still power share with the case on there. This is the Cyber Ranger. Let me bust out the Vanguard. The Vanguard is the more heavy duty case. Alright, the Vanguard is here. Bam. If my camera focus, a Canon SL2. $18.98. It comes in black. This is the heavy duty one. This is where you're working on construction, going hiking. You want this case. Same packaging. Now it doesn't have the screen protector. It gives you the same book that you had in the other one. The packaging is really nice though. Nice packaging. But here's the case itself. It has a little kickstand. One thing this case doesn't come with is the belt clip. But that's okay. It will protect your phone though. Look, the kickstand works great. Not too hard to get off, and it clicks in there. Again, right here it tells you where to start off because it is a two-piece case. So you just want to pop this little ring off. Look at that. Bam. It has that hard plastic. Let's see if we can install this. So you want to put the phone into the top piece first. I'm going to slide it around. Start at the bottom. Make sure you can get it all in there. Man, this case is tight. Let me see if I can get it around. Alright, so I was able to work the case around. It didn't take long at all. And it fits snug. Look at that. Yes, it doesn't come with the built-in screen protector, which is fine. Do you get lip action? Yes. Also, do you get the camera hump protection? See, these are the cases where you can drop your phone, and I'm not too worried about, doing anything with it. I mean, it will protect your phone. Look, it has the grip on the sides. Gives you that extra grip. It does have a little brand in there, Vanguard. Let's test out the power button. It works great. The Vine rockers are easy to press. No problem there either. I like this case. Everything lines up at the bottom. It has a little flap too. Protects that USB Type-C. The microphone. What y'all think about this one? I think this one can definitely rock with. So this is the Vanguard. This is the Ranger. Y'all let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Do you like the heavy duty one or just the Cyber Ranger one? Will show off your beauty of your device. Also, if you want to pick these up, like I said way in the beginning of this video, I will have the links in the description so that way you can get it from Amazon. Also, make sure that you get this video a thumbs up. Make sure you also follow me on Twitter at For's Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And the last thing I'm going to tell you is to make sure you hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, so that way you know when I drop my next video on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.